Hi everyone, I'm Rajan and welcome back to this video. If you're new to this channel, I'm Rajan. I'm 18 years old and I'm working as a full-time software engineer in Suchi Incorporated, a US-based company that I'm working from Sri Lanka remotely, and I'm also being a full-time computer science and software engineering student here in Colombo. So I'm going to go ahead and share my thoughts and tips that I pretty much use to manage both of the things perfectly fine and effectively manage my time to get all of the tasks done. Okay, so I'm gonna share all the tips and tricks that I know, just simple stuff. If you love this video, drop a like, and we also need to 500 subscribers. That's a lot to me. Okay, I've never imagined that, so please go ahead and drop that subscribe button, click that subscribe button and drop a like, so then we are gonna go close to the 500 subscribers and we'll make a video or maybe a giveaway in the future. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and let's go ahead and jump in and see. I'm gonna show you what are the tips, so don't miss the video and I'll talk to you soon. So the first thing is that I try to prioritize my time. Okay, no matter what happens, I try to finish my notes quickly, as fast as possible. At the same time, I also try to make sure I take some breaks and also speak to my friends and have much fun while I'm learning in the class. Okay, so let's say if I have like two schedules or exams on that day, probably not exams, like assignment, then I will schedule my whole week according to that, having the timings on what I have to do. So not timing based on like 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I do not have that. I will always say like 2 hours I have to spend on that, and I will actually try to spend it. Okay, and I will do that. So I will get up early in the morning around 5 o'clock, and then I will try to finish all of my notes and studies. So while that working hour 9 comes, I'm not gonna get disturbed by the notes and whatever assignment I'm trying to submit. So I will try to finish that in the morning. So in the morning time, it's also giving me a better a motive for me to study, and I revise all my notes. And then after it's 9 o'clock, I will start doing my work, my scrums and all of those. We would review the code, we will do code reviews, we will talk with some of the developers if we have any doubts, and then we just get started with the work. And I have a set time for working. For example, I wouldn't work the whole day. I wouldn't never work until night. The thing is, because I wouldn't even work more than 10 hours. It's because it's just so hard doing this every week. I cannot do it every like 10 hours, 15 hours per day. So that's not gonna happen. I actually have some set timings. For example, like 9 to 12. Then I take a break, half an hour, and then I go back work from 1 to 3. And then if I have some reviews to make, once I finish all the reviews, then I'm done for the day. Okay, then I will sit back and create my YouTube videos, create my own content, create any business stuff, and all of those passive income stuff that I want to achieve. So that's after the way. So yeah, this is what we do. Me and my brother would sit and discuss on investing and some other businesses, websites, creating some of my clients, extra clients. So we will do that and to try to prioritize my work as long as the day goes. Second one is that getting up early in the morning, maybe at 5 o'clock, I cannot stress enough how much it has helped me, because at that time you're actually getting like 5, if you're getting at, let's say if you're getting like 9 o'clock in the morning, and if I get up 5 o'clock, it's actually like extra 4 hours for me, right? That time is more than enough for me to finish my notes, finish my questions and all of that, and just start my day to work and all of that. So that's how I'm able to manage the full-time job as a developer, as a software engineer. It's very easy for me to do the work. I don't even stress myself, because it's so easy. In the morning time, I've already completed the work, right? So because of that, getting up early in the morning is one of the best ways for you to manage your time, and also you'll have really good memory power and stuff, which you can that time you can study all your notes and all of those. So it's very good. It will stay in your mind for a long time. So it's a very good time for you to even do meditation or even do studies. It's one of the best times early in the morning. 5 o'clock getting up is one of the best practices. So if you want to manage your time very easily, then get up early in the morning. That will most of the time give you a solution. The third thing is that I put my own to-do list every day. So people think like I'm like a productive like a person. I put all the to-do list and I try to achieve everything like 9 to 5 this, 5 to 10 this and stuff like that. No, that's not like that. I will have a to-do list, like a pretty reasonable to-do list where I can achieve those stuff at the end of the day, because we eat, we have free time, so we can also allocate that time to do whatever that helps you to increase your productivity or whatever, but just try to finish a task, right? So I will have a notes in my MacBook. So I will have all the notes. For example, if I want to finish like a 25-page notes, or most of the time in my assignments I don't have those type of notes. It's mostly coding. So if I want to create this program, and then I have to do my program and create my own YouTube videos, I have to finish this task in my work. So I just try to note those down and I try to finish it as fast as possible. Okay, so just having that notes just makes you aware that you have a lot of tasks to do, and you can allocate your day according to it. So for example, if I have like 5 tasks per day, then I would divide that 5 tasks to stuff that I can do in the morning and stuff that I can do in the evening. For example, I have to do some of the stuff after code reviewing with some of the developers, and the developer is only available like 4 to 5 and that time, so we'll allocate that. And in the middle time I will switch back and make some YouTube videos, or finish some of my content, finish my websites, whatever I'm personally working on. But this is how I will try to manage, have a notebook and try to manage all of those stuff, whether it's simple reminders to fully functional stuff that I have to do on a website. Everything will be in the notes, and this helps me to be very, very, very organized, well organized in the day, and this helps me to achieve like most of the stuff properly. So this is my tip for that. All right, the fourth tip is that taking a break. Now you'll be like, why the hell would you want to take a break if you want to finish most of the stuff on time? So the thing is that I also agree with that, but the truth reality is that you as a human, you cannot actually continue doing one task per like the whole day, because I've noticed when I have an error or some sort of let's say some sort of task that I have to finish, and if I don't take a break and I'm just always into it, I'm not going to finish it no matter what. No matter it's going to take 10 hours to 12 hours, I will never finish it, and basically at the end of the day I have wasted a lot of time and I've still not finished it. So the best thing is that take a break, take a good break, at least like a 1 hour break once you finish some of the good tasks, because that will actually help you for your mind to relax. At least take a nap for like half an hour and eat, spend time with your family, friends, and then that break time will actually give you more energy when you come back to coding or anything. It just gives you more energy to do it faster. In that case, you are going to manage a lot of time. You're gonna save a lot of time rather than running into that rabbit hole of errors, and you cannot find it. So this thing overall just helps me to just go out and take a break and just come back and then try it out. This will work 90% of the time. This is how it worked for me, but I guess you might be different. But taking a break really matters. Alright guys, so the last tip I'm going to give you may be controversial for the tip I gave in the fourth, which is to take a break, but this tip is actually to make use of your free time. For example, I go to my university, and the university starts from 9:30 to the first session takes around 11:30, and then the second session starts from 12 to 1. So I actually get like half an hour break on that time. So at that time I will actually use it to go to the student room and start coding and working on the company I'm working on. So the projects and the tasks that I have on the current company I'm working on, so the project that I'm working on and all of that, I used to finish that small time breaks. Even that's a half an hour, I have like 2 or 3 sessions per day, so it's half an hour. It's going to be 1.5 hours, which I can finish a lot of tasks because the area is very quiet. It's a very good environment which I can go ahead and work. So those are the free times that you shouldn't misuse. For example, that half an hour is actually a bigger thing. You can really work way more productive if you're used to it, right? I can go out and work anywhere, so I can do that. So I can just go to a place, and if I get time, that half an hour is a bigger thing because I can finish small proportions of that project what I'm working on, and then I can pretty much finish all the tasks for the day and pretty much come home and finish the rest of it, and then just finish it off like that. What I'm saying? So however, right now it's actually online classes and it's almost on Zoom for the past 3 months. So because of that, I got this ability to have more time, so I can work more on that. So yeah, this Zoom class has given me the ability to work on home, the remote work ability very, very easily. So I can work anywhere, at my home at any time I want, and so that's just such a good advantage for me. So yeah, if you have any questions, then definitely leave in the description, or if you want to contact me personally, you can send an email to rasudan666@gmail.com. I will definitely help you out with any of the computer science stuff, to whatever work stuff or any doubt you have in any program, then let me know. So if you have any video ideas, let me know. Either ways, you can just shoot me an email. I'll reply to you within 24 hours. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe and like the video. We're near to 500 subscribers, and I would just say thank you for everyone who has been subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. I hope these tips help. Anyway, let me know, as I always told. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.